Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of nutrition and exploring the top 5 healthiest fruits you should consider incorporating into your diet. Fruits are not only delicious but also packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that promote overall well-being. So, let's get started. Segment 1, Blueberries, nature's antioxidant powerhouse. Our first fruit in the lineup of healthiest fruits is blueberries. These tiny, vibrant berries are bursting with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give them their rich blue color. Antioxidants help combat free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Blueberries are also high in fiber, vitamin C, and vitamin K, promoting a healthy digestive system and supporting a strong immune system. Segment 2, Avocado, creamy goodness with healthy fats. Next up, we have the versatile and creamy fruit, the avocado. Although technically a fruit, avocados are unique as they are primarily composed of healthy monounsaturated fats. These fats help reduce bad cholesterol levels, supporting heart health. Avocados are also an excellent source of potassium, fiber, and essential vitamins such as vitamin E, vitamin K, and vitamin C. Incorporating avocados into your diet can promote brain health, healthy skin, and a balanced immune system. Segment 3, Oranges, a citrus burst of vitamin C. Moving on, we have oranges, a classic citrus fruit known for its refreshing taste and high vitamin C content. Oranges are not only great for boosting your immune system but also support collagen production, which is crucial for healthy skin and joint health. Additionally, oranges contain dietary fiber and various other essential nutrients like folate and potassium. Including oranges in your daily routine can help reduce inflammation, aid digestion, and improve heart health. Segment 4, Apples, crunchy goodness and fiber powerhouse. Now, let's talk about apples, one of the most widely consumed fruits worldwide. Apples are an excellent source of dietary fiber, mainly found in their skin. This fiber aids in digestion, promotes a feeling of fullness, and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Apples also contain antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which may have protective effects against certain types of cancers. With a variety of flavors and textures available, apples are a convenient and nutritious snack. Segment 5, Kiwi, a tropical nutrient-dense superfruit. Last but not least, we have kiwi, a small but mighty fruit packed with essential nutrients. Kiwis are loaded with vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin E, and dietary fiber. The unique combination of antioxidants and fiber in kiwis contributes to improved digestion, reduced inflammation, and strengthened immunity. Moreover, kiwis contain actinidin, an enzyme that aids in protein digestion. Including kiwis in your diet can promote overall digestive health and provide a refreshing tropical twist. Conclusion, and there you have it, our top 5 healthiest fruits: blueberries, avocados, oranges, apples, and kiwis. Incorporating these nutrient-rich fruits into your diet can offer a range of health benefits, from boosting your immune system to supporting heart health and digestion. Remember to choose fresh, ripe fruits and enjoy them in various ways, such as adding them to smoothies, salads, or simply eating them as a snack. Stay healthy and stay tuned for more exciting content. See you next time. Outro, thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give